Hello everyone. Many of us have already purchased or acquired plunge saws with guide tires. And I think everyone has noticed that the prices for clamps are the prices for fastening the guide bar to the workpiece. Leaves much to be desired. It's present at best. $500. In rubles, it totals 2,500 rubles and more. In this video, I will demonstrate how to craft clamps from straightforward, cost-effective, widely accessible materials that will perform just as well as factory ones for securing a guide bar. Shall we go? Guys, this is the outcome I obtained. Observe attentively. It's very simple. Everything is even super simple. Now let's evaluate their performance. Firstly, let's observe how they engage with the tire pass. Everyone possesses their own tire. They vary widely, however. Oh, and excellent. You require a pair of them, assuredly 2 units. Cool. Let's test how this whole farm holds up. Hey guys, is there an issue or concern? This is apparently cast iron. This metal is not welded. It breaks out, it starts. That's why I'm taking super glue the old-fashioned way. Like this. So this is how things stand. It means here. I prepared by drilling ahead of time. Just a matter of habit. These pins are secure and will hold everything together. I believe it isn't going to budge. Therefore, without any regret. So I will now remove the excess and correct it with a file so that it is beautiful. No need for super glue. Nowhere. So in fact 2, everything is absolutely fine, and we don't ever delay without fanaticism. Same here. Fine. Here guys, this result was obtained from the simplest, cheapest structures. It turned out to be such wonderful things. In principle, For my tasks, this is more than enough. That is, I like the video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for now.